said, weather engineering,
J-73366-2. This is video number 2 being taken after doing some drain snake work. We're only at 43 feet because that is the distance that we really did the snaking. Beyond that is existing, and other than some pooling water, not too much going on. Of note, as we pull back, we can see a lot of silver debris in the pipe mixed in with the rest of it. Like right there is a larger lump of silver debris. It appears that the drain piping within the home, which is 4-inch cast iron, had a lot of overpour of lead in the joints. And after doing all the descaling and drain snake work, we see a lot of silver bits here, which is pieces of the lead that have been dislodged and are remaining in the pipe. So we see a lot of that silver intermingled with the rusty iron flake in here. We'll see more as we go back. More silver pieces. More silver chunks, a rather large chunk of lead right there to the left. Transition from 6-inch clay to 4-inch cast iron. Again, more chunks of silver lead. Slight off turn in the pipe. You can see at the top of the screen, it's currently the upper left corner. That is the Y, a Y on its back, which is the main cleanout located underneath a workbench. And then we are turning 90 degrees in a Y joint. The run of that Y is heading back to the plumbing stack. Again, we have here, we can see the cast iron section. It's rather smooth now where the descaling has taken effect. We see chunks of lead and what appears to be really rough surfaces off to the right. Off to the right it's smooth, off to the left it's rough, which appears to be lead that is still stuck in position. All of that appears to be lead. It has a silvery hue to it. There's more of it off to the left, off to the right. Everything is clear, and then we see little sections on the left where it's clear, but then parts where it's still very rough. You can see silvery chunks in the bottom too, and another silvery chunk there. So we can see as we approach this, it's smooth on the top and the right, and then this whole part from probably about 6 o'clock up around through 9, 10, 12 over to 2 o'clock position appears to be lead. And then as we back up, we're on the bottom now, appears to be lead buildup. Here we have a Y branch likely heading off to the floor drain. Very smooth here as we can see, which is bare cast iron. And then again we can kind of see the lead off to the left hand side there on the inside of the turn. Going up the base of the stack, transition to PVC. Between the laundry tub, clean out, washing machine.